Alright, part 28 is Saturday, July 15th, 2023. I'm doing 78 in progress. Decided to bring out the 4-year-old, 5-year-old, 6-year-old that I once was back in, dinosaur era. That was in my early 70s. I picked up a 4-color in one pencil. It's got yellow, green, blue, and red. And I just started kind of like doodling. Oh, this is actually fun. Look at this. I twirl the pencil and I end up with like all these different colors all at the same time. Wow. This kind of balances out. I'm going to likely do, I think I may do this one here entirely in linear black and white and dots, like very, very detailed. Kind of like equivalent to how like that's all dots and short lines, dashes and so on. Alright, this is fun. And why not have some fun? The world news is so bad. Wars and Israelis and Palestinians and Russians and Ukraine and Myanmar and Kashmir and Lebanon and Syria and this place and that place. Whew. All right, I'll do a black or dark blue line background here, and then the teeth separately and the eyes. And then we'll have this sea monster here that the likes of Jackson Pollock might have approved of. All right, to be continued.